Hey guys, it's Ian over at BMW of Westlake. Today I'm in a 2021 BMW M340i with iDrive 7, and I'm going to be showing you how to log into your driver profile through the vehicle infotainment screen. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have one key in the car. That key will function as your main key and be linked to your driver profile on your ConnectedDrive account. The next thing is you're going to locate the avatar towards the top of the screen. It looks like a little profile icon. You're going to select that. And then towards the bottom right, you're going to see a little button that says Add Driver Profile. You're going to click that, and then you're going to log in with your ConnectedDrive account information. Now, if you had a previous BMW Connected app, this will be the same exact login and password, so you can just transfer that over and log into your account. If you don't already have a ConnectedDrive account, be sure to create one, so then you can log in and set and save your profile. So we're going to log in. And then after we log into our profile, I'll show you the next steps. So once we input our email and password, we're going to hit OK. And then the vehicle's going to go through completing and transferring our current settings. We're going to hit continue. And then we're going to synchronize our driver profile to our ConnectedDrive account settings. And then we're going to hit that checkbox that says vehicle key. That's going to link our driver profile to the active key in the car. And then we're going to create a 4-digit PIN for our vehicle. You can use the same PIN on the My BMW app, or you can create a custom one if you prefer. So we'll create that PIN. And then once that PIN is created, we're going to hit continue. And that is your welcome screen for your driver profile. So you'll hit get started. And if you want, you can click on avatar on the right hand side, and that is where you can customize or change your profile picture. But that is all the steps for creating and synchronizing your driver profile in a newer BMW with iDrive 7. And that is how you do it. Be sure to download the My BMW app on the App Store for Android or iPhones, so you can get further linked with your BMW.